Hi. Welcome to our quiz time. And the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 40. The first question, what is moon in Chinese? We have A. 月亮 B. 太阳 C. 帮忙 D. 星星 You can try to guess first. 月亮 is moon. 太阳 is sun. 帮忙 is help. 星星 is star. And moon in Chinese is A. 月亮 月亮 The next question. What is cannot in Chinese? We have A. 来得及 B. 来不及 C. 不能 D. 能 Is it A, B, C, or D? 来得及 is in time. 来不及 is too late. 不能 is cannot. 能 is can. And cannot in Chinese is C. 不能不能 The next one. What is sun in Chinese? We have A. 来不及 B. 太阳 C. 帮忙 D. 不能 I will give you time to think first. 来不及 is too late. 太阳 is sun. 帮忙 is help. 不能 is cannot. And sun in Chinese is B. 太阳太阳 Another question here. What is in time in Chinese? We have A. 能 B. 星星 C. 月亮 D. 来得及 I will explain it later. 能 is can. 星星 is star. 月亮 is moon. 来得及 is in time. And in time in Chinese is D. 来得及来得及 Let's move on to the next question. What is help in Chinese? A. 帮忙 B. 不能 C. 星星 D. 月亮 Which one do you think is the right answer? Bang mang is help, 不能 is cannot, 星星 is star, 月亮 is moon. And the right answer for this question is A. 帮忙帮忙 Moving on to the next one. What is too late in Chinese? A. 太阳 B. 来得及 C. 来不及 D. 能 Which one do you think is the correct answer? 太阳 is sun, 来得及 is in time, 来不及 is too late, none is can. And the correct answer for this question is C, 来不及,来不及. Moving on to another question here. What is star in Chinese? A. 太阳 B. 星星 C. 帮忙 D. 来不及 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? Taiyang is sun, Xing Xing is star, Bang Mang is help, Lai Buji is too late. And B is the right answer for this question. Xing Xing, Xing Xing. And finally, guys, the last question for today. What is can in Chinese? A. 月亮 B. 不能 C. 来得及 D. 能 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A. 月亮 is moon B. 不能 is cannot C. 来得及 is in time and D. 能 is can. And D is the correct answer for this question. 能 能 And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. Thanks a lot for your time. I hope to see you guys again on our next lesson.